let's learn how you can change battery color on iPhone. So before we start, I will have to tell you that this is very limited process. And for default battery, if for example, if you want to only change battery color, you will have to jailbreak your iPhone. For this method, you will have to enable low power mode or power saving mode and go to settings. Now once you go to settings, click on accessibility option and then click on display and text size. Now scroll down a bit and you will see these two, smart invert and classic invert. If we click on it and enable it, you will see that our battery turned into blue. Same will go for classic invert. But what is this do? It changes your whole colors for iPhone, as you can see here, and most of people doesn't want to do that. But it will change your battery color. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.